get to save, you will be amazed with Couponing Crystle.
Couponing Crystle is back and ready to coupon. Lovely people. Went to Walmart. Had to go anyway to get some stuff for my husband. So I said, what the heck? I'm in here. Y'all know I'm trying to do my bonus. I'm trying to do the spare cash bonus where you redeem 30 rebates and get $10. So I'm well on the way. You can check out my other videos. I will link them in this video so you can go see what I'm doing. Go back and do some rebates if you want to do it too. Okay, so let's see. The first one that I did was the Sargento balanced brakes. Remember we had this before, I think probably last year sometime. My husband liked them. It's like 3 in a pack, so I think that's a good snack for him. They usually have like chocolates and cheeses. This one actually has Colby Jack natural cheese, sea salted peanuts, and blueberry juice infused dried cranberries. So I think that's gonna be tasty. All right, it has to be a good deal when you got a coupon and a rebate. Come on. $3.28, 75-cent insert coupon that was actually in the 812 Smart Source. Then we have a 50-cent rebate. So I had to pay $2.53 in the store, but I got 50 of it back in the rebate. So it was $2.03. Considering it's 3 individual in here, that's good for a snack. The next one I got was the Success Boil and Bag Rice. I thought about the twin Amber because I think Amber buys this. So this was twin. You can do this rebate on Ibotta. $2.28 in Walmart. Now I did have a coupons.com coupon that I used on this. That took off 75 cents. I paid $1.53 in the store, but there is a 70-cent Ibotta rebate, making it be just 83 cents for this boil and bag rice. And I think that is awesome because there is 4 bags in here. 4 bags. That's a good deal. That's actually a really good deal. That's like 20 cents a bag, guys. I hope that resets. Next, I got the Idaho Spuds. Idaho Spuds is what I got. I keep getting these. I mean, it's food. You got a rebate for food. Come on now. It's $1.24. I don't ever have a coupon for this, but it's pretty cheap. It was a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making it be 74 cents for some mashed potatoes with cauliflower and ranch. So that sounds good, right? Last but certainly not least, I told y'all this was a small haul, but this is my process. I'm sticking to it. I'm trying to get stuff for the low price of Dirt and Free, so I got to do small rebates and small doses. All right, the Listerine. I did the Listerine nightly reset, okay? Now, this was $4.94. I had a $2 coupons.com coupon. That made it be $2.94 in the store, but then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate. So that made it be 94 cents, which I think was awesome. Okay. Now, let's get to the nitty gritty of this thing. All right. Let's go to the chart. We keeping track of the spare cash $10 bonus. Okay. I spent $4.54 after rebates, after coupons, okay? So I think that's great. Actually, that's really great considering what I got. When you kind of break down and you look at your rebates from that perspective, it is good couponing. I'm trying to tell you. All right, so if you guys want to be on this journey with me, if you're not familiar with Ibotta, it's great, awesome. You can click the link in the description of this video and you can join my Ibotta team. Once you redeem your first rebate, that is not any item rebate, you will get your rebate and your $10. You'll be well on your way. And if you do it within 2 weeks, Couponing Crystle will get $5 put in her Ibotta account, which is my coupon money. So you know I'm greatly appreciative of that, okay? That's it. See you guys tomorrow, because guess what? I'll be doing some more couponing. Remember, clip to save. You will be amazed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below of this video what Ibotta rebates you guys are doing this week, because I'm trying to get my spare cash $10 bonus, and I want you guys to get it too. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you'd like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.